好，Hello YouTube，咁今次又係阿希同大家玩《Assassin's Creed》嘅第4集。咁去翻上次嘅嗰度啦，咁啊等我彈咗 game，咁啊好唔開心啦。咁你係繼續玩嘅。啦。講到，因為上次嗰段片呢，發覺右手邊嘅區域咧係有啲錯漏百出啦，總之好失敗啦，仲有好唔開心，好唔失敗，好失敗咁樣啦。咁啊去翻呢度，呢度上一個載點喺度繼續。同埋我而家縮細咗個 mon， 睇下可唔可以成功令到佢錄到冇一啲好奇怪嘅嘢啊！好，跳翻邊度啦？跳翻落啲水度㗎嘛？唔係喎，誒，今次又冇嘢啊，上次有嘢啊。好，點解我擺上 YouTube 呢？因為我覺得 YouTube 呢係一個係可以實現好多人夢想嘅地方。咁我其中一個夢想呢，就係拍片啦、娛賓啦，希望大家睇得開心啦，大家睇得開心，我開心啦，原動力嚟嘅，呢個係一個好跳落去啊，好似上次咁。定係講得夠唔夠好？認真嘅喎，真係成為一個 YouTuber 係我嘅夢想。其實好羨慕五公子嗰啲嘅，係咯，慕容公子嗰啲都係。好，呢度有上次點玩嘅咧？咁樣啊，玩得比上次更加失敗啊！潛行係嘛？唔知今次有冇咩呢？比上次更加好，即係希望大家俾啲意見 comment， 唔使 subscribe 噶，唔一定 subscribe 噶。哇！無雙亂舞，是但啦。哇，好貴，好得意啊！好啦，咁我哋就救呢個商人先。因為唔會跳動畫啦，睇下故事啦，玩呢啲 game。咦，唔係喎，我哋上集睇咗啦喎，襯咗添。總之就係講，但係佢嘅船長瓜咗柴，咁又咁嗰個人因為唔識揸船喎，咁啊認得佢嘅衫，認到佢嘅樣咁樣啦。好，咁我哋靚仔金毛主角呢，就要去到嗰架船度，咁我哋一齊游水。好，同個商人同個肥佬啊喺度暢遊海灘。不過去啲地方游水又幾寫意，因為身份梗係遊客啦，唔係海盜啦。哇，身手靈敏啊，個肥佬係。好，我睇下隻船先，咁就啲人完全唔覺得啲乜嘢嘅，咁就因為哇跑上隻船度，因為如果有人冇得入我間屋咧，都會覺得好有嘢咁樣，好靚仔個主角。咁我哋就睇下先，周圍爬嚟爬去。主角咧係非常之靈敏，幾靚呢個畫，呢個畫面幾靚啊！希望今次成功，唔好再彈 game 啦！唔知上次搞乜嘢冇得彈 game， 咁我就好開波揸船。我唔係好中意揸船，我中意踩單車同埋踩滑板啊，即係 Penny， 但唔係好中意揸船。即係麻麻地啊！揸船嘅話，即係到目前為止都 OK 嘅。咁我哋加速。其實我真係好難去睇字幕。哇，漂移嗱，我係唔係好識揸船㗎？嗱，講咗啦，即係撞船呢就唔出奇嘅。 細細個玩模型船我都唔識玩。你覺得我哋需要擔心咩咁樣？好得意喎肥仔，啊，睇佢隻腳搖嚟搖去，佢坐上個箱度都去，就爭啲炒船啊今日冇時間睇字幕就揸船，要好專心咁樣。Yes, suppose that's true. 係咯，咁頭先講到話 YouTube 係實現好多人夢想嘅地方啦。咁我近期都有留意一啲唔同嘅製作，怪人製作啊嗰啲，咁我發覺就即係睇到我自己都開心咯。查我事件，哇，好大條鯨魚，即係公海啊，係咪講到呢個公海？哇，架船係就嚟打反噶咯喎，即係冇問題嘅咁樣。好啊，睇翻啲字幕可以。哇，個肥佬仲係覺得鄧肯係咁毛嘅，即係淨係認得件衫嘅。Your life seems a grand one, if I may say. So full of adventure. How marvelous! I've seen my share of strangeness. 呢個鄧肯啊，睇嚟充滿即係扮到有一個航海嘅經驗。
Fantastic work. Very promising.
係啦，咦？我哋去翻呢度，其實我真係想知呢個咩世界？呢度係點嘅咧？究竟係銀河啊，定點啊？銀河唯一的秘密，有條女。睇你個係着翻有啲電腦咁，睇嚟翻現代，呢度係現代咁，頭先係夢境定點咧？咁成面着扮，唔係我條女啊啩？有工作證嘅呢個員工嚟。唔望下吹咩？望下望左望右望你都唔望上。
Are you okay? I just need you to look at the lights here one at a time.
發穩陣啦佢，電腦角色都會發穩陣啦，唔出奇。咁我哋望上啦，熄咗，望咗上去就熄咗。
Down。
唔望上邊，望你。真係好凝重嗰個神色，算啦。
If you have any blurred vision or stiffness in your neck, let me know. So far, so good. Let's get you up.
Let's get you up.
So, welcome to the Sample 17 project.
Okay.
Before you get started, you're gonna need this.
喂，咩嚟㗎，八婆？唔好亂咁俾啲嘢我。
Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hello, bonjour.
呢個對講機嚟嘅。呢個髮型啊，剪佢啦，老細。好似沙宣嗰啲 model 咁樣。咁着衫㗎。即係我着衫唔係好靚，不過咁樣着唔開位啊。同埋睇嚟主角都挺高下。喂，唔好望過嚟啊，嚇死咩？
But Abstergo Entertainment has been a studio for a few years, since 2010.
會？睇嚟就係做緊呢個導賞團、雞仔團、自由行、班婷婷，唔係，我唔係歧視，其實冇歧視。
That was our first title powered by Animus Tech.
That
was just the tip of the iceberg. Soon, we'll be unveiling commercial Animus servers for the whole world to enjoy. They'll offer passive experiences, of course.
即係點啊？即係令到人哋可以翻去古代咁樣。
And we think we found the perfect subject for first full-length virtual feature.
即係你話，如果我哋第時都可以有啲咁嘅設備啦，俾我哋咁樣玩，咁樣都幾好。即係啲咁嘅設備嘅話，真係唔錯。刀劍神域咁樣，好似笠住個頭盔咁樣。
C'est bon, c'était prêt. Magnifique, merci.
哦，唔係外國，即係唔係美國人嚟嘅。哦，通訊錄、通訊器。啊，一個板咁嘅嘢，咁啊睇住。阻住你，唔俾你走，喂 ，nice meet 喎，咁鉗嘅唔要啊！你走啊你，跑啊！哇，真係好靚喎呢度，有啲似一啲香港有冇啲咁嘅嘢㗎？咩類似嘅嘢？好神秘啊！唔俾睇主角個樣。咁我哋就
，It means you're hooked up to the elevator. I'll let you do the honors. We're headed up to the Sample 17 studio, second floor.
係唔好嘈啦，八婆。就連撳 lift 係冇掣嘅，咁就連撳 lift 都係要用個通訊器嚟撳。
Let's go.
咁睇嚟都先進極有限啊！
There's the boss, Olivier Garneau, our CCO. I'll introduce you.
我哋個老細 Bonjour 啊，法國人嚟嘅原來係。
Well, thanks.
點解冇法式十
Have you
文？
met our new hire? Just started today.
I haven't. Bonjour.
即係我哋身份就係第一日呢間公司嘅新員工，係啊，實驗品定點咧？
Edward, the pirate.
哦，扮演唔同嘅角色嘅，咁我哋係海盜啦，而家就。
Very exciting. Welcome aboard.
Welcome aboard.
Can we talk in your office for a minute?
Just let me get this one settled, and I'll see you in 5 minutes.
C'est bon. Nice to meet
有啲
you.
私情啊，呢兩個有得退啊。
So, this is the
我哋
Sample
繼續。
17 floor. We're diving into the memories of one very generous donor, Desmond Miles. We're pulling
討論
all
緊
the
啲咩
best stuff？
係咯，
And
係啊。
hopefully one day we can forge some fantastic experiences for
哦，
what we
係
find.
喎，今日邊度食飯啊？即係呢度個個人都有着班嘅喎，發覺。
Yeah.
可能我仲唔仲望住做咩啫
Every day. Damn.
？Damn！
Where'd you run off to?
但係對唔住咯，過嚟啦，我想周圍睇下先得唔得？因為我未睇過，我們的 DNA， 哇，好先進啊！呢度真係行企，我哋尋覓靚女。
Yeah, that's true.
喂，呢個咪頭先嗰個導賞團嗰個，阻住我唔俾我行。哇！你哋啲髮型都幾一樣。
It's all set up for you.
得啦，知啦。咁呢度咧，我呢度私情，又係你個導賞員呢個黑人，我冇歧視㗎。呢張相嗱，大家記唔記得呢張相就係、
It's all set up for you.
攞咗嚟做呢個 YouTube 嘅 wallpaper， 係咪 wallpaper？ 唔係，係背景嗰個啦。咁我哋大約帶咧就帶咗呢嚿嘢，係咪咧？即係好似刀劍神域咁樣。咁啊，大約扮咗第二個人咁啦。Over here， 跟住你屎忽喺邊啊？喺度。Hi。
This pair of legs is John, one of the wizards.
鬼唔知咩，對腳係阿 John 嘅，係個魔法師啊，霍格華茲做嘅。
Calibrating, right.
唔係，係調教。
So here we are, your very own Animus workstation.
呢部機係你㗎啦。
So sit back,
你諗下
relax, and find us some good footage.
嗱，有邊有份工就係入去
If you
打
need any
機？
hints or tips, the
你份
Animus
工
is
就係要
loaded
打
with
機咩？
tutorial programs, so you'll have no problems.
咩工作嚇？
I'll check in on you later. Happy pirating.
真係打到上晒腦呢班。呢度呢一個 QR code 咁有冇用？好撳錯掣添。哦，原來係咁，明白。咁叫 QR code， 哇，照下就冇咗嘅。咁就，有個公仔，有乜撳佢啊？發緊光嘅老細。我大約就我哋嘅辦公室係非常之似係做商場保安咁樣，睇翻窗。英文唔係幾好，又彈 game， 做乜 Q？ 做乜勁？又彈 game， 睇嚟每次咧拍片咧嘅時數都係有限。咁我哋今集咧就嚟到依度。係啦，咁 唉，唔知做乜嘢啊？有冇觀眾可以解決下呢個問題？點解會成日因為呢個已經停止運作，搞乜嘢啊？好啦，咁再見 YouTube。